Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to add border to Excel column chart. So let's start this in Excel and here you can see I have data. So here I'm going to create first column chart. Simply select the data and go to the insert tab. In charts group, click on the column chart and 2D column, select the first column and here you can see the column chart is inserted. With the chart design tab and format tab, drag the corner point to increase the size of the column chart and here you can see, and this is a chart area. Okay, if you want to change the border of the chart area, you can change it. Simply right click on the mouse and click on the format chart area, and here in format chart area the first option fill and line. In fill and line the second option is border. You can select it as solid line. Just click on the colors option and you can select here the border colors for chart area. So I select here this one and you can see the chart area border is showing in different color. If you want to increase the thickness of the chart area border, just click on the width. Okay, you can increase the thickness. Just click on the up arrow to increase the thickness of the border of chart area. Okay. And if you want to change the border type, okay, dash tab, you can line also add it. You can see here the different dash tab line also. You can select here. Okay. So this is the way you can change the border of chart area. You can add the border of chart area. Okay. And I close these. Now I click on the columns. Okay, I select this column and you can see the selection of every column here showing every column here. Select, simply right click on it and click on the format data series. In format data series, in series option, click on the first option line, fill and line. The second option is border and click on the solid line. Now select the your border color. So I select this one, and to increase the thickness width, okay, just click on the up arrow to increase the thickness and see the changes in column. The border is showing thicker with the different color. Okay, you can change the border type also. So this is the dash type border. You can see the dash type border also showing. Okay, I change here the color, yellow color. See the changes over here. Okay, this is a way you can add border in column chart. So, okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.